Hola a todos and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing my mom's recipe for costillas de puerco and salsa roja. But before we get into this video, I do want to apologize because I missed the first two steps of recipe. And although the actual video is not included, I do include all the instructions in the video. To start off, you will need a pan set on medium to high heat, about 2 tablespoons of oil, and once your pan is ready, add the costillas, season with salt, and cover them for about 1 hour, stirring them every so often. Once the costillas are nice and crispy, remove the excess fat. Squeeze 1 whole orange or half of a Coca-Cola can to tenderize the meat and infuse the flavor. Please keep in mind that the costillas will continuously release fat. Stir the costillas and cover them for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the salsa de chile Puya. Stir the costillas, and depending on your desired consistency, you can add 1 to 1.5 cups of water, or you can skip this step. Bring it to a boil, taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and if you're new, subscribe. If you have any questions pertaining to this recipe or any of the recipes that I posted, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you recreate this recipe or any of the recipes that I post, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. Stay tuned for next week's video, which is going to be my mom's birria. Hasta pronto!